Mwah. Hi kisses and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you another twerk lesson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to shake your booty while standing still. If you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. This is a very simple yet complex move. You're going to want to put your shoulders and your butt on the wall. Make sure that your heels are not touching the wall this time. So move forward a little bit, make your shoulders and your butt touch. You're going to actually hold on to the wall, and you're going to do a very simple move. You're going to lift your toe up, and you're going to have your ankle and your knees follow your toe. So lift up your right toe. We're going to do it with the left leg. The reason why I have you get on the wall is because I don't want you to move your hips. I don't want you to move your shoulders. I don't want you to move your upper body. This is isolating the lower half, which actually helps control how you're going to move your body. So hold on to the wall and just make sure that your knee is following your toes. And as you can tell, once I do that, my knees are actually making my thighs move. Once your thigh moves, it makes your butt move. So now we're going to do it without holding onto the wall. We're going to step forward a little bit, and we're going to lift our toe and do the other one. Now we're going to try to do those simultaneously. So that is the motion. A lot of people think that it's your butt that's doing all the work. It actually is not your butt doing all the work. It is the result of your ankles and your knees and your thighs moving together that makes your butt jiggle. So let me show you that motion from this side. You see that? Now we're going to try it from the back. We're going to hold on to the wall. We're just going to lift our toes. If you notice, the booty is moving. Now what you're going to want to do is this. The reason why I show you how to lift your toes up properly is so that you understand which way your legs are actually moving. The actual motion is you never lift up your toes. Keep your toes nice and firm on the ground. What you're going to do is you're going to duplicate that motion, but you're not going to lift your toes. You're going to take your ankles and your knees and your thighs together, and you're going to just simply turn them out and turn them in. Turn them out and turn them in. As you can tell, it's making my thighs move. I'm just going to isolate the right leg for now. You see that? Now we're going to do the left leg. In, out, in, out. This is going to take some practice. So take a deep breath, put your hands on your hip, and just focus on your ankles, your knees, and your thighs connecting. Pretend they're all connected like one long strand, and just super slow, no rush. This is what it looks like from the back. In, out, in, out, in, out. What we're going to do is we're going to do that really, really fast. When you first start to pick up this movement, it's going to not feel comfortable, which is why I want you to pay very close attention to what your body is doing and what your body is saying to you. If you feel discomfort, do not continue. Will you feel a little bit of tightness? Yes. If you feel pain, do not continue the movement. I suggest that you don't even try it if you feel any kind of pain. It depends on your health. Are your ankles healthy? Are your knees healthy? Are your hips healthy? Now I'm going to show you what that looks like in fast super motion, slow motion, and I'm going to show you how you can actually alternate them. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. Comment below if you have any other suggestions for future twerk videos, and I'll be more than happy to make them for you. Bye guys.